How to fix we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again. So if you're facing a problem with the SMS on your mobile number, then what you need to do is first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked, now you just need to go for your settings. Once you're in the settings, you can scroll down and go for apps. Under your apps, you can go for see all apps and go and search for messages, and here you will have your messages application. Once you're here on the messages, you just need to scroll down and go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can go for clear storage and delete all of the storage. Once you've deleted and once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. Or what you can do is simply go for the permission, and under permissions make sure that you have allowed the messages option. So here you will have SMS option, right? So make sure that you have allowed the SMS option, and once you've allowed, now your problem will be fixed. Go back and remove that, and then you need to go and connect to a VPN. So simply choose any VPN that you're comfortable with. I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen the VPN, make sure to connect to a VPN, and once you've connected to the VPN, you can go back and try to send a message and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you just need to stop or disconnect your VPN, and then you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button and restart your device, and once you tap on restart, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.